carrying wood. We moving stuff. Wood, bunk beds, supplies.
Laugh, fart.
Oh my goodness.
You want to hit a cart?
Laugh. No. Laugh, fart, or cry.
Walking down forever since we've been together, something battering.
Summertime.
That sounded very
start running around.
That's weird that they have their own cafe.
I know. Okay.
Lug. Nah. We are going to a cafe. Hello. More or less.
Wait, how many students do you have total?
Art. Human. That's a little park. This squirrel. Got a flower.
We're fine.
And the duck walked up to the limited stand. Said to the man, let it stand. What a vibe.
After my school account.
Yeah. Pretty. Yeah.
She is.
Take a picture on the couch.
Ah, shoot.
I think windmill. Yeah, ready. Going.
I got paranoid.
What she sounds
And Lord, that you just feeding your house and eating her bowels and allowing everything to come out, Lord. Amen.
Some don't realize the Wienermobile bad now. Some don't make mistakes. Some don't realize your pet's bad now.
Yeah.
Okay, and just clean it up, but make sure you're on the grass.
I can't sit down. No, we can sit. No, it's a setup. It's a setup. It's a setup.
Sit down, Julia. Sit right there. Yes.
Sit down.
King Julia. King Julia, I will bow down to you, King Julia. Sit, please. In your royal throne.
Sit down.
Your royal throne.
Sit down in the chair. Can someone explain to me what we will? We will.
It'll all
You'll
make
sit.
sense.
How do you sit down in the
It
chair?
will all make sense soon. Okay?
You just gotta sit
Sit down in the chair.
Examine this chair.
No, it's not the chair.
It's not the chair.
It's something else.
Here, you can pick your own chair.
Any chair.
They're making this so weird, bro. What is
Wait,
this
what's
chair,
weird about
lava?
Nothing's happening. What do you mean?
Wait, what's weird?
Yeah, I don't understand. This is not normal? I feel like this is our normal routine.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, come on, blow it out.
You have pooping problems too. No,
I'm
good now.
John, you got it. You got it. You
It's
can
all
do
you.
it.
I
You can do
insist.
it. It's for you. Were you afraid to?
You can. You can.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? You just
I
put your
gotta
lips
see you blow.
together and you
better
come
blow.
real close. Okay, ready?
Holy crap! Well,
Wait.
Holy crap, that's some good That's some good cake.
Not good.
Okay, so we blew up the candle. Let me move out of the way for this.
Hey, we're getting eaten by shark.
Yeah. It's the beach. Yo. Pizza.
In my chili, Dixie crystal in my tea. Boom, shit.
Humans. Big video.
We're going deep.
Oh, good.
Man, a seagull.
Is that a seagull? Maybe it's not a seagull.
It's like a crab graveyard.
Walking the beach. It's so pretty.
Those aren't real.
No, these houses are so blocky. It's so pretty. And we have the roof. Higher. Don't fall, Carmen. It's gonna hurt. Oh, they all the way over there.
Dude, it's disturbing. Look at how many there are. Frick. Sorry. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one. Baby. Look at him. Tiny.
Oh, there was a big one.
Yes. Look at how many. There's right here. You want me to help?
Oh,
Get him. Yeah. Ow. Did he get you? That's the only thing about cars.
Hello, Mr. Grant.
I'm very scared, but
I mean, I had
Pain that I can't face, memories, something even smoking weed, start playing. I came from my mother's side, told a million to survive.
The moon. Tonight we still the moon. Oh, my phone can't get the moon. Sad.
Hair in the shoes and I'm split in half.
Yeah, you can see. Not the bigger. Oh, that's not that. That's. We lost my contact. I don't know if it's in there. I can't tell. You see anything again? Good job.
yes, the water's a little bit cold, but you get used to it. And I thank you for allowing us to gather here today.
don't come any closer. I saw a really weird, like, there was something in a shower. Something. You want us to what color is it? That up
No, we're not dropping that on.
I see it too. It's totally dead.
no, it's not.
Not. It's not actually
I want to
definitely
pet it.
dead.
I want to pet it. Oh, you dropped him.
Ow, 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 ow. He's gonna look at
Can you get off?
That'd be funny.
Here. I got him! I'm the murder.
Okay.
Actually, this is so. Is that the truck?
Yep.
Hey, do you want to race?
Yeah.
We can't right now, but we can race later.
Like the moon. That's the moon. That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Trees. Part of my vlog now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Straight foot up.
Sometimes she gives things for free. Is it just cheese over it? Like, you recorded that video!
Girl, I record everything at this point.
Yeah, ready? Okay, so this got the
I'm not gonna talk.
We just finished putting up some fences to keep the critters out of getting the plants, and now we kind of died because we've been doing it all day and we're not made for this kind of work, and we weren't told what we were gonna do, and we didn't get our food until like 3 hours later, but we made it and now we're here and we're done.
Yeah.
She is. Good work, guys.
So bad. Let's go. Not that. Let's see. Dude.
I said I'm just curious, I'm just unreal, just
Weird, like.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like that.
Did we make it? We broke it.
Oh, it's so mushy.
You guys jumping in again? Or are you done?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at that thing.
And then they test who has the best like